First 30 days as marketing director, your roadmap for action in a slowing market. As a new marketing director at a real estate development firm in Egypt, you need a clear, practical plan, especially when the market cools. Here's a 6-step framework to drive real results. Let's get started. Rapid market audit, days 1 to 5. Gather sales data, competitor activity, and customer feedback. Identify your top 3 strengths and weaknesses versus peers. Outcome, a 1-page SWOT summary to guide priorities. Stakeholder alignment, days 6 to 10. Meet sales, finance, and operations teams to align on goals and budgets. Agree on 3 to 5 key performance indicators, KPIs, such as qualified leads, site visits, and conversion rates. Outcome, a shared dashboard template for weekly tracking. Target profile refresh, days 11 to 15. Update your buyer personas using recent demographic and psychographic data, e.g., young professionals versus investors. Map each persona's journey, awareness, evaluation, decision. Outcome, persona profiles with messaging priorities per segment. Message and channel strategy, days 16 to 20. Craft core messages, project quality, payment flexibility, community lifestyle. Select channels, local print ads, outdoor billboards, targeted Facebook, Instagram ads, and email for brokers. Outcome, a simple media plan with spend allocation and expected reach. Campaign launch and testing, days 21, 25. Roll out a pilot campaign on 2 channels, e.g. digital ads plus ATL. Measure engagement, click-throughs, inquiries, walk-ins. Outcome, real-time performance report to optimize creatives and offers. Optimize and scale, days 26-30. Analyze early results against KPIs. Reallocate budget to top-performing channels and refine messaging. Plan the next phase of the rollout. Expand to additional neighborhoods and partner with local influencers. Outcome, a revised 90-day marketing calendar focused on efficiency and ROI. Mohammed Assad, business development and marketing strategy enthusiast.